Welcome, y'all. We popping off on a nigga or a bitch. If they got a problem, they keep me a nigga stick. Every time I come up in this bitch, I'm a hit. And no real bitch know how to keep shit lit. Hey, Shanice in this motherfucking bitch. Want to step in, yo nigga on my dick. I don't even got a time, I just do this shit for kids. Bitch, if you couldn't tell, yeah, this shit is legit. Hey. Hello, it is Princess Morgan, aka Shanice, aka Morgan, and today we are doing my first voiceover, high as hell. So, you know, let's get into it. We got my box, we smelling the weed, smells good. I don't even know what strain this is, I done forgot, but it's okay. Then we got our grinder. Ooh, our grinder. Well, we going straight into it. We're not wasting no time. Okay, let's go. So now I'm gonna just get my tray so I can dump all my, herbs on it. And while in this video, I'm also at Sonic, so I think I'm gonna start ordering in a minute. Oh.
Can I just get an RT strawberry, cherry limeade?
You said a what?
An
She knew what the fuck I was talking about, dumbass bitch.
tea cherry limeade?
I'll put it for cherry limeade?
Yes.
Like, what else? What the fuck else I'm gonna be talking about, girl? Come on now.
Okay, yeah. And anything else?
That'll be it.
Okay, so have you
See, something else that made me mad is the fact that at the beginning I did say, can I just get? And she still asked me, is that it? But it's okay. It's whatever. So now we're going to take out, I don't know what this wooden thing is. I just use it. It looks cool. Oh, while struggling. Finally got it open. Good job. Now I'm going to check it, see which one is better. And then I'm going to lick it down the middle. Also, make sure you're not breaking it down on any stems. That's what I look for, too. So now that it's all, wet, it's going to be easy to break down. It's not going to rip off coarse. I'm going to break it all the way down. Please do not break down your backwoods. People love to tell me, I accidentally broke down my backwood. No, you don't do that. Stop it. You're going to wrap it. Now I'm getting the cup that I ashed in, and I'm going to dump out all the guts into there. Or you can dump it anywhere that's available to you. I don't care. So now you're going to lick both sides of the guard. Make sure it's damn wet, moist, So it's easier to roll. And you're going to distribute the weed evenly into the blunt. I do it evenly. Make sure it's... And I don't even know what this wooden thing is. I'm just really using it. Like, I really don't know what that is for. This could be the use. It could not. We don't know. Then I have more weed in the thing because it's not enough weed for me. And if you look, I only put a little bit at the end. It's because while you're rolling, the weed tends to like push itself to wherever you're whenever you're ending your oh my god, whenever your roll is ended, it pushes over there, so you're gonna want to I leave it a little light in the front. Yes. Now you're just gonna tuck and roll, lick. Oh yeah, good technique. Oh, the lady came back. Bitch tried to get more money from me. Last bitch did that same shit, then you bring back my change. Bro, that is some pro stuff. I didn't spill not one thing right there. I kept the weed in the blunt. I kept everything on the tray. And put my drink down. Like, that was some G-ass shit right there. So then you're going to continue to tuck and roll. And then lick as you're going. Ooh. So, boy, see how easy it is to roll when it's, like, nice and it's really... Is the word malleable? I don't even know what the word is, but... Yes, licking it up. And so then I think I'm actually finna do this. I'm gonna stuff the end because it's looking a little light right here as I'm looking at it. Oh yes. I'm gonna stuff the end and then I'm gonna like just push it down with like a stem or some shit. This isn't the prettiest blunt, but it came out pretty good. See, the thing with me rolling, I'm kind of a perfectionist. Look at that. That is a pearl, baby.
That
Oh shit, look at that. So as I'm doing my voiceover, I saw I didn't make an outro. I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Please tune in for the next video. Tell me what y'all want to see, what y'all want to see me roll next. My phone keeps on trying to fall. And yeah, me like, comment, subscribe, and be here for the next video.